Today we're making high protein, low carb, low calorie pancakes. Sarah and I have done a lot of pancake videos here on this channel, from souffle pancakes that originate in Japan to high protein pancakes that have cottage cheese. But these are going viral right now, so we thought we would try them. And the reason why that they're low calorie and low carb is that they're pretty much made of egg whites, and there are many iterations of this recipe going on out on the internet. So this creator at the Sam Plan, we will leave a link to this creator in the description below if you want to see her video, has said that she has perfected the high protein, low carb, low calorie pancake. And you know what goes great with pancakes? Coffee. Sarah and I love our coffee. And you know what goes great with coffee? Chocolate mint. Element chocolate mint. And they are the sponsor of this video. Sarah and I have been drinking Element every single day since 2020 because we love the way it tastes and it helps us on our keto lifestyle. That's because when you go into ketosis, you can shed a lot of water, and inside that water are your electrolytes. This can leave you feeling tired, having muscle cramps, or even nausea, also known as the keto flu. Element replenishes your electrolytes so that you feel better. Sarah and I love all the flavors. In the summer, it's citrus salt and grapefruit salt, and in the winter, you cannot beat chocolate medley. This comes with chocolate chai, chocolate mint, and chocolate raspberry, and it is amazing in coffee with a little bit of heavy whipping cream. It tastes like hot chocolate, it really does. Right now, Element is offering our Keto Twins community a free sample pack so you can try 8 of their flavors with any purchase. So you can buy a chocolate medley and get a free sample pack. In order to get this deal, you must go to drinklmnt.com/ketotwins. So for this recipe, you're going to be needing egg whites. We're going to be using egg whites from the carton. You need about 7 ounces of egg whites. She uses almond extract. I bet you could use vanilla if you wanted to. Stevia. She also uses baking powder and cinnamon, like a lot of cinnamon. And, you know, the things that you're going to top it with. She tops hers with some raspberries. Sarah has macerated some strawberries, being all fancy today.
Here they are. They're not, it's not all fancy. It's just that I don't know if they're ripe, so.
Also, we really like the Chalk Zero maple syrup. It is the best keto-friendly maple syrup we've tried so far. I love this stuff. We'll leave this linked in the description below under the title. If you click more, we'll open up the description and have everything to do with us. And you can also subscribe. We would love to have you here. It's free. It's just clicking a button, but it does help our ego just a touch. We would love to get to 250,000 subscribers this year. The one thing I did notice about this video is it seems like a lot of the other high protein, low carb, low calorie souffle pancakes is that it tends to collapse. And so I decided to do some research on what could help keep it from collapsing. It said to add some cream of tartar, so we're going to add that into this mixture as well. So it said 1/8 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar for 3 eggs. So there's about 7 ounces of eggs. So I'm just going to guesstimate that it's going to be like 1/4 of a teaspoon. And we're also going to be splitting this thing. First of all, because we don't know if it's going to taste good. And secondly, because 7 ounces of egg whites is going to create quite a large thing.
Did you shake it?
I didn't open it.
Oh.
That would be good. I
Maybe
did shake it a little bit.
Okay.
I love this thing. This
Very
is the
small.
thing that we've been using the most
This cup?
for 4 years. This OXO. Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
It's not OXO.
I don't know OXO. No, I think it's OXO.
Okay.
Um,
So in they go. First I'm going to add in the cream of tartar. Cream of tartar is what we also use for our
faux apple pie.
faux apple mixture. Pie on top of ice cream.
Gives a tartness.
Yeah, it makes it taste like apple. Next up, this seems like a lot of baking powder, but it's 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then literally a squirt of stevia. I don't know.
Don't break your tooth off.
Again, this tooth is fake halfway. I think when I was going into high school, I was walking around school with half a tooth because I was afraid to go to the dentist for a while, but this one has
Held up.
it's held up. So a lot of people use almond extract in the place of cherry.
Does she measure it?
No, she just pours it.
I like the way it smells.
Yeah. Okay, next up is cinnamon. She put probably like a cup of cinnamon in there. I'm just gonna do a sprinkling.
Very excessive on the cinnamon. I think you're trying to cover the egg white flavor. That's the only thing I can gather from that.
All right, let's start up here. Maybe 1 more minute.
How's it looking?
Yeah, looks pretty solid. It looks like shaving cream. The new trend is high volume eating. High volume, low carb, low calorie. Shovel it down, fill your stomach up with egg whites, but
I think it's all about getting a feeling.
a feeling of being full on nothing. We're gonna build out our pancake.
All of that's going in there?
Yep.
Okay.
Here we go. It said to layer it. Kind of make yourself a pancake there. When is too far?
I think it's gonna collapse, so I think you would...
I'm gonna have to flip this thing. I mean, the Japanese pancakes that we made were much more stable, I think, than this, but you know, we're willing to try anything here. So she cooks this for 3 to 4 minutes, I think, on one side, and then we have to flip it. I think that if we cover it, it will maintain the integrity, because if you look at when she does it, it kind of just splats. So we're gonna cover it for a couple minutes and see how we do. Hopefully, is this gonna touch it on the top?
I don't know.
Yeah, it does.
A little bit.
Oh well. It's gonna touch it a little bit. Oh well. This is not operation. It's okay if it touches. I hear something brewing in there. Ready? It became bigger and flatter. I think this thing pushed it down. I wonder, how am I gonna flip that thing? It's gigantic.
Maybe 2 spatulas, or they're not spatulas, are they? I don't know what they're called. Flipper thingies.
Flippers. Where do I go?
This is with confidence. You have to do this. Oh, okay. Okay, don't do it too... Okay.
Shoot. Darn it.
Just do it.
Oh my god.
I almost missed.
It's halfway out the pan.
Whatever.
Oh.
Just leave it alone. Just leave it. Let it
What?
cook like that.
What?
Because there's no point of fixing it. Let it cook.
Looks
Maybe
like phyllo dough. I wish it tasted like phyllo dough.
Wait, can you just push it? Just push this in the pan.
I can't. It's stuck to it.
It's fine. It's very... Ooh, it's very... Oh my... It's very... This is very firm. It's bouncy.
I'm gonna cook it lower and slower.
Okay.
Okay.
It's been a couple minutes and it's...
Oh,
whatever. I mean, it's fine. Be careful. Surprise masterpiece.
Yummo. Don't worry, we're gonna jazz this up right now. I like how you chop these all unevenly and weirdly.
I didn't... They're all different sized strawberries.
Let's just cover the entire thing with it. shall
No. Does not look like a pancake, but...
we? Should I get the steak knives out?
No, I don't think you need that. It's completely collapsed, but with our Japanese pancakes, I felt like you gotta eat it right away. Like,
Right.
but this one, it didn't.
This is the fastest we have ever come down here, set up everything, and it was not fast enough. Aesthetically speaking, it's like I've had worse.
Maybe
but-
it could have cooked longer, a little bit. How's the taste of it? This is something that you eat because you want a pancake feel without all the carbs, right, and the calories.
Right.
It's gonna taste a little different, but I think it's just trying to get the vibe of it. It's a pretty big pancake, right?
Pretty broad vibe. It's like,
Yeah.
I mean,
I don't
it
think
doesn't
it's
taste bad.
Mm-mm.
Right. The texture is something you kind of have to get used to.
The strawberries give it a nice fresh flavor. The maple syrup adds like kind of a feel of pancake.
The Splenda in it makes it sweet.
Yeah. The almond extract I think is nice and fragrant here.
Yeah, it does taste good.
A lot of people are complaining about the taste of eggs. So you
Right.
need something that's really like fragrant in order to counteract the way the eggs smell.
I don't know. The more I'm eating it, the more I'm eating it, the more I'm eating more and more
Right.
and more. So that's got to be.
This is a winner though.
Yeah.
And knowing that this is really low in calories, we could probably put it on, in the description how much it is. You're not gonna feel guilty after this meal.
It's an odd texture though, but it kind of grows on you a touch. Take that what you will out of that. If we eat something really like kind of dirty or really luxurious, or we have something with wheat in it or gluten that's low carb, we will go like the opposite for a couple days.
Clean.
Right. Clean, low calorie, low carb, carnivore one day. We're very relaxed, but at the same time, it's like you have to take something from somewhere.
Right.
Or, if you eat like fully rich, fatty,
calorically dense stuff. Yeah.
After a certain point, you're not gonna
lose weight.
Or not only lose weight, you might gain weight. It's not like a given that you're always gonna lose weight on keto. It's like, I do think it's good. I don't know if we ate it all.
Yeah, no, I'm not. If it was disgusting, we wouldn't eat it all, right?
Right.
Right.
If you made it this far, put a pancake emoji. Have you done that before?
Stack of pancakes. Oh wait, did we do that? Yeah, we did that.
Last video, I said, hey, put a pecan pie emoji. People are like, I can't find it. That's probably, it doesn't exist. That's why you can't find it. But
we want your interpretation.
Right.
If you put any type of emoji, just put your favorite. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It supports our channel. We appreciate it. It means that you're watching till the end. We have made other pancakes here on our channel, once with cottage cheese and a Japanese inspired one. If you guys want to see those videos, you can click on one of the videos on the screen and we'll see you over there. there. Anyway, I'm Sarah.
I'm Emily,
And we are Keto signing out.
Good.
Not bad.
Yeah.